Hi everyone, my name is Luh Tiamentari Pitri. So in this video, I would like to explain about the four broad categories of curriculum design. The first is traditional model. Traditional model focuses on strategies that help the students get the content that they are being given, mostly in a theoretical way. In this model, the important thing is students must have the ability to graduate from school after mastering the knowledge that is taught. It means that the subjects and knowledge in the subject is more important than the needs of the students. In this model, each subject has their own content and goals that need to be achieved in the end of the learning process. The goal of traditional curriculum model is to make sure that the students have to understand the content of various subjects so they successfully finish the expected level of learning and graduate. The teacher provides the information to the students. For example, in learning English, students have to understand how to make sentences using tenses that the teacher has explained. In the end of the learning teaching process, the teacher gives a test to know if the students remember the tenses or not. Challenges that will be faced if we use traditional model. The first is limited flexibility. It's hard for them to adapt to the different needs of students and the changes in education. The second is outdated. This model can feel old and struggle to keep up with fast changes in society and technology. The third is low engagement. It may create learning environments where students are not very participated or active. The next is lack of personalization. It's difficult for this model to meet each student's different preferences and learning styles. And the last is limited innovation. It often sticks to old ways of teaching, making it harder to try new and creative methods. Second is student-centered model. This model is also known as learner-centered design. This model focuses on the needs, interests, and goals of each individual student. The goal is to empower students to shape their own education. In this model, students have more control over what they learn and how they learn it. They may choose topics that interest them, decide on projects they want to work on, and have a say in how lessons are conducted. The teacher acts more like a guide or facilitator, helping students explore and learn in ways that are meaningful to them. For example, teacher gives topics in group activities, discussion, and projects so students can learn that fits their personal learning style to get the information. The main goal of this model is to help students take responsibility for their own learning and develop skills they can use in real life. The third is critical model. This model aims to revolutionize education by emphasizing critical thinking and 21st century skills. It focuses on helping students think critically about the world around them. Instead of just learning facts, students are encouraged to question how things work in society, such as issues of fairness, power, and justice. This model aims to help students understand important problems like inequality or environmental issues and learn how to make the world better. There are the key features of critical model of curriculum design. The first is real world problems. Students focus on solving important real life issues that are being worked on by leaders today. The second is teamwork in research. Students work together on research projects and share the results with others. The third is covers many subjects. This model combines different teaching methods, learning styles, and technology. The next is flexible for teachers. Teachers can choose the real world problem they want their students to work on. And the last is big picture focus. It focuses at big global problems like politics, society, culture, economy, and science to help students understand the world better. And the fourth is structural model. This model focuses on learning around themes or projects instead of just focusing on separate subjects. For example, instead of only learning English and science or civics separately, students might work on a project about topics such as homelessness or pollution and then write a report or create a presentation to explain the solutions. They can also practice speaking skill by discussing their ideas in group debates or delivering in front of the class. Through this project, students are not only practicing English skills such as reading, writing, speaking, and how different subjects are connected, but also connecting them to a real world issue. This method helps students understand how knowledge from different areas can come together to solve problems or answer questions, making learning more meaningful and practical. Alright, that's all about my explanation. Thank you for watching.